Hi, and this is CraftBag84, and today I'm going to show you how to make a squishy bun out of squishy clay. I have like so much left, so it's very sticky mine, but yours will be on the consistency, consistency that you would like. So you just need, a squishy donut. Yeah! I can't speak today. So you would want a bowl for the squishy donut, some dough for the frosting, and yeah, so you can add sprinkles or whatever you like. So get the donut dough and just roll it up. Like so. Yours should come around, and it's coming in a oval shape. And then just press it down carefully, and don't make the hole. Just don't make the hole. So leave it aside. Now you're going to take the small piece and just roll it up. And then you're going to flatten it. Oh, and sorry, for this video you're going to need squishy clay, a blade, any blade that you can use. And yeah, pretty much that's it. And a pencil. So, just flatten it like that. Then take a pencil and draw dot a circle into the clay. A circle that's way smaller than the donut. Then take your blade and open it to the height that you want it. So, I'm just gonna pick it up more so I can actually lift it. Okay, so that is good. Extra clay somewhere. Then take this small piece, your circle, and just flatten it like a frosting would be. And don't try and make it perfect, cause I think frosting is not perfect. So, yes. Oh, and credit goes to TTD107 Taylor, and she's the one that inspired me to be making crafty stuff, and I love it. So thank you so much, TTD107. And so yeah, and it's my first. Oh my goodness, this clay is so sticky. Okay, so this is my first video on YouTube, and so please subscribe and rate and comment and all those stuff. So please. And so just flatten it out like that. And then just flatten it more on your surface. Take your blade and just try and get it out of your surface. And then take, oh my goodness. This is twist. The donut is going to be like that. So we're going to make a smaller donut. Make the donut so small. Sorry about this. This is my first video and I'm so nervous and all that stuff. So I made this donut really smaller. So now take your frosting and just put it onto your donut and then flatten it in the sides. And it should look like this. You can't really see it because I used white, but it should look like that. Oh, and you can use the pencil, the back of it, to make the hole. So that air donut looks like that with the hole. I'm really sorry if this was a bad video. It's just that, yeah, my first video. But my other ones will be better. So that is how you make a donut. And please subscribe, rate, and comment, and thumbs up, and yeah. So please subscribe, and please sometimes I do sub for sub, sometimes I don't. And so if you do subscribe, I can subscribe back to you. So yeah, if you want. And see you guys next time. Bye. Hope you're feeling like a craft bag.